Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, friends. Good morning, and welcome to our circle time. We're going to begin with the months of the year. As you can recall from previous circle times, there are 12 months in the year. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are currently in the 4th month of the year. So let's put our thinking caps on and think about what month that might be while we sing our month of the year song starting with January. All right, pulling up our month of the year song now. Okay, friends, let's get our singing voices on. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Let's go one more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right. So while we were singing, I hope you were thinking what month it was. We can start by counting down. So January is the 1st month of the year. So we know it's not January. Moving to the 2nd month of the year, February. We know it's not February because we are looking for the 4th month. So we continue down to March, which is the 3rd month of the year. That was last month. Finally, we land on the 4th month of the year, and that is April. If you were thinking April while we were singing, you were correct. So let's move our April over to our calendar and put it in the month spot. So now we know that the month of the year is April. But let's finish making our calendar. And next, by doing that, we are going to move into the days of the week. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yesterday was Monday. So let's think, if yesterday was Monday, what is today? Think about that while we sing our Days of the Week song. freezing. Sorry, friends. It's not wanting to. It's not wanting to get bigger for me. We are just going to have to listen.
Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Let's do it one more time.
Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. All right. So if yesterday was Monday, let's take a big leap over, and today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, if we were to jump ahead, would be Wednesday. But today is Tuesday, friends. Tuesday. So we have determined in our calendar that the month of the year is April and the day of the week is Tuesday. But we need to get our counting brains on and determine what is the date. We have gone through day number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So behind this flap is day 14. So this month is April, the date is Tuesday, and the date is the 14th. When we put that together, we have Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. And that is our calendar. Okay, friends, so we have finished our calendar, but we are not done yet. Included in our calendar is the seasons and the weather. Let's review our seasons first. Starting with spring, moving to summer, next is fall, and then winter. In spring, we get temperatures that vary from cold to warm to hot before moving into summer. In summer, we get temperatures that are hot. In fall, we move from hot to warm to cold. And then in winter, we get cold temperatures. Now, if you think about what the weather is like today, you can probably guess what the season is. Take a moment and think about what season you think we are in. Is it spring? Is it summer? Is it fall? Or is it winter? If you were thinking it is spring, you were correct. We are currently in the season of spring. Okay, let's move to the weather. So since we know that it is spring, we know we are going to have temperatures ranging from cool, warm, and then possibly hot. Based off of the weatherman today, we are supposed to reach a high of 72 degrees. 72 degrees. So let's think about what that means for our weather. While we listen to our weather song, let's think. Are we going to experience sunny skies, clear skies, partly cloudy skies, cloudy, windy, foggy, rainy skies, stormy, or snowy skies? Let's listen and think. Midnight, you trying to help me? Yeah? You want to help? Do you think you know the weather?
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees? Is it sunny?
Friends, is it sunny when you look outside? Is it cloudy when you look outside? Yep. My iPad just doesn't want to work for me. Is it rainy when we look outside? Take a look outside. What's it look like? Is it windy when you look outside? Are the trees blowing? Leaves moving? Is it foggy when you look outside? Is it snowing when you look outside? All right, so when we were checking the weather, what were we seeing? Let's go through. Is it sunny when we look outside? Well, I have light shining in through the windows of my house, so I think we can say that is sunny, but there might be other options, so let's go through them. Is it clear when we look outside? It might be clear, but there might also be some clouds. So let's move forward. Is it partly cloudy when we look outside? I think there are some clouds and there are some sun, so that might be a great choice too. But let's continue to move on. Is it cloudy? Well, we can eliminate cloudy because we are seeing the sunshine shine through our windows. So we know that it's not cloudy. Is it windy when we look outside? If you see the trees blowing in the wind, then you can say that it is most definitely windy when you look outside. Is it foggy when you look outside? No, we have sunshine, so we can also eliminate that it's not foggy. Is it raining? Well, it's not wet outside, and it's also a little bit sunny, so once again, there is no rain. And if there's no rain, we can eliminate the fact that it's stormy or snowing. So our choices left are sunny, clear, partly cloudy, and windy. Well, since we determined that there are some clouds in the sky, we can eliminate that it's sunny and clear. So we can say it's partly cloudy, friends. Partly cloudy. But I think we're seeing another weather option that goes with partly cloudy. I'm going to put partly cloudy under our 72 degrees, but I think we also have another option that I want you to know. And there is some wind going on today. The trees and the leaves are blowing when we go outside. So it's partly cloudy and it's slightly windy. But this doesn't help us with knowing how much clothes we should wear when we get dressed. So, looking at our 72 degrees, we need to find whether it's going to be cold, cool, warm, or hot. Are we going to be wearing pants and beanies and hoodies and jackets? Or are we going to be wearing shorts and t-shirts today? Let's find out. Starting with cold, 0 to 30 degrees. Does 72 fit into the 0 to 30 degrees? No, it does not. 72 is more than 0 to 30 degrees. So let's move up to cool. Cool is 30 to 50 degrees. Does 72 fit into the 30 to 50 degrees? No, so we can eliminate that it's going to be cool today. Let's move on to the next one. Is it going to be 50 to 70 degrees? That's pretty close, but 72 is more than 70 degrees. So we can eliminate that it is warm, making it so that we determine that the temperature is going to be hot because 72 is more than 70, but it is also less than 100. So we know that based off of our thermometer, it's going to be hot. 72 degrees, it is going to be hot today. With the wind though, you might feel a little bit cooler or you might get a little bit relief from the hotness. And that is our calendar with our weather and our seasons. Okay friends, so now that we have completed our calendar and our weather, let's move on to our colors. While I'm reviewing the colors, I want you to think about what the color of the week is. Let's see if you remember. We have pink, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. Let's do that again, but with our signs. We have pink, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. Okay, so what was our color of the week? Was it pink? No. Was it yellow? Yes, our color of the week is yellow. And friends, since our color of the week is yellow, I will attach a fun yellow song for you to listen to later today with your parents. And let's talk about the color yellow. Where have I found the color yellow in my own home? Well, I found yellow on this cup. Even the minions are yellow. Yellow. And I have found a yellow highlighter. I want to know what you have found in your home that is yellow. Maybe you found a marker just like me. Or a yellow cup. Okay, now let's think about what is our shape of the week. I'm going to review the shapes and you think about what is our shape for the week. We have circle, square, triangle, rectangle, heart, star, and hexagon. Was our shape of the week a square? No, our shape of the week was not a square. Was it a heart? No. That's a good guess, but it wasn't a heart. If you were thinking that our shape of the week was a star, you were correct. Our shape of the week was a star. Where have I found stars in my home? Well, let me show you. I found stars on my shirt. They are in red, light blue, and dark blue colors. That's where I have found stars. But I know there are some other places that you can find stars. Sometimes people put them on their Christmas trees if they celebrate Christmas. Sometimes there are star candle holders. Sometimes you might find a star shape in a starfish. You just have to think. I want to know where you might find a star. Maybe you have a star block. Okay, friends. Now that we've discussed our colors and our shapes, let's move to our alphabet. Okay, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, let's do the alphabet again, but with our signs. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The letter we are focusing on today is our letter C. Now, I want you to take your hands and start up high, and we are going to trace a big C. Follow my movement. You're going to start high, and you're going to move out at a curve and round it back in. Let's do it again. Start high, go out at a curve, go down, 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 and come back in and up a little. Now let's try that with a lowercase c. Our movements are going to be slightly smaller because the letter is smaller and it's lowercase. So we're going to go a little high, not too high, just a little. And we're going to go out at a curve, like our big C, and come back in and up. Let's do it one more time. Start a little high, go out, and come back in. Good job practicing your C's with your hands. Let's move forward to counting. Let's count to 20. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As we were going through that, I hope you were thinking about what our number of the week is. If you weren't, I'm going to count to 20 again. Follow along, and this time think, what is our number of the week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, friends, we have counted again. Was our number of the week 10? No, pretty close though, huh? Was the number of the week 15? No, but once again, that is pretty close. Our number of the week is 13. If you were thinking that the number of the week is 13, you were correct. All right, so for the number 13, I have found packets of candy. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, friends, I'm curious to see what number 13 of items you have found, or if you have found the number 13 somewhere in your house. Let's move forward to counting to 100 by 5s. I'm going to start this time with just my hand, and we'll go through it, and then I'll include the chart. So get your hands ready, and let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count by 5s to 100. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Oh, let's stop there for a second. We get 60 minutes and 60 seconds on a clock. But we've got to go to 100, so let's continue. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Whew, friends, we made it. Let's do it this time with the chart. You have your hands ready, and I'm going to follow along on the chart. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. This is where we would stop on the clock and start all over. But continuing on, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Good job. We counted by 5s to 100. Now, I want to see if we can count by 10s to 100. Let's get our hands out. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, friends, let's start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Remember, we stop at 60 on our clock, but we are trying to get to 100. 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job, friends. Let's do it with the chart. Okay, let's get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job, friends. You counted to 100 by 10s. Let's see if we can do the 5s and the 10s again, but this time with our handy, trusty clock. Okay, so as we look at the clock, we see 12 numbers. We count to 12 twice in a day. Once in the morning and another time in the evening. From 12 to 1 is either 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Let's start at 12. We're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. If it was 60 seconds, you would have completed 1 minute around the clock. If we were doing minutes and it was 60 minutes, you would have completed 1 hour around the clock. So for 1 minute, we would have moved from the 12 to this little dash right here. And if it was 1 hour, we would have moved from 12 to 1. Okay, let's do our clock by counting by 10. From 12 to 2, we have 10. From 2 to 4, we have 20. From 4 to 6, we have 30. From 6 to 8, we have 40. From 8 to 10, we have 50. And from 10 to 12, we have 60. If you need help remembering, the YouTube video, How Many Fives Around the Clock, is great for remembering your fives. The link will be posted along with the yellow sign. But that concludes today's circle. So I'm going to play our Goodbye song. And I will see you all here tomorrow. Thanks, friends, for working with me. Crocodile. Bye bye butterfly. Toodaloo kangaroo. Time to go buffalo. Give a hug ladybug. And we are going to end it right there. Bye, friends.